I often have clients who have trusts or who may have inherited property during the marriage. And let's take this one at a time. First of all, if you have inherited property, whether before the marriage or during the marriage, that property is your separate property. Now, it's important that you not commingle that property with property that is community property or your spouse's property, so that you can identify it and establish it as your separate property when you go to the divorce court. But if you can do that, the divorce court is going to make sure that that property is set aside for you. Trusts are another interesting element in a divorce case, in that usually some planning has gone into that, sometimes by my client, even more often by my client's family members, such as their parents or their grandparents. If family members set up a trust for your benefit, and assuming it's properly set up and so forth, then your spouse is not going to be able to benefit from the assets that have been placed into that trust. It's possible, depending on the nature of the trust and how it was set up, that the income from that trust earned during the marriage may be something that is actually community. But generally speaking, what's in the trust is not something that the other side is going to be able to get at.